Hi, my name is Felipe Crook from Realty One Group here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am sitting here with Martha Batorski. All right.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Martha is the CEO of Batorski-Stevens and Associates, which is a financial services consulting company. And she's a friend and past client of mine. And she reached out to me about a week ago asking me about mortgage protection. And I asked her, do you mean private mortgage insurance? And she said, no. And I was like, well, I have no idea what you're talking about. And after she explained something to me, I wanted to do a video and bring her in, answer some questions for us, and then educate us on what mortgage protection is. I don't benefit anything at all from this. I just thought it was a really good tool and a really good education for all my clients. So that's why I'm here. So Tell me about mortgage insurance, or mortgage protection, excuse me.
So mortgage protection insurance, very few people know that they can protect their mortgage against their death and disability. We carry a very huge financial commitment when we buy a home, and we want to protect our family for everything, but mostly if we pass away or we are disabled, we don't want to have them leave the home. We want to make everything very smooth. So a financial protection of your home through mortgage protection is done through 14 different carriers that we represent. They're grade A national companies like Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, Foresters, etc. And what you do is we meet with you to determine how much do you owe on the home and how long is your mortgage. And then we work with these third-party carriers to put a protection plan in place so that if you were to die or become disabled, in the case of death, then we would fill the claim for you and deliver to your family a tax-free check. They would take that check to the bank and pay off the entire mortgage.
So in the event I'm going to the grocery store, I get hit by a car.
Texting driver.
I'm not texting, but someone else is texting.
Yes.
Because I never do that. So I get hit by a car, I die.
Yes.
Someone still has to pay the mortgage.
Correct.
My heirs.
That's right.
This would basically protect me, or protect my heirs.
Yes, so they can stay in the home.
Okay.
It's paid off.
Wow.
Now that's it's affordable. It's based upon your age. It's based upon your health.
Okay.
It's based upon how much, and how long.
Okay.
So we take a look at each unique couple. We meet with the couple in the home, and we talk about the both of you, and then we take a look at what needs to be put in place so that both of you can sleep at night knowing that if either of you were out of the picture, how could you keep things going smoothly?
Now you had mentioned there's 3 different tiers basically of
there's
coverage.
three different strategies, and we again, we're not pushy salespeople. We're really consultative educators to let you know, A, it exists, and then B, you have options. So if your budget is such that right now you can't afford to pay off the full amount, you could do the option of paying half of it.
Okay.
So that would take your monthly mortgage and divide it in half, which would then ease the financial commitment each month and then make it more affordable to come up with some backup plans.
Mm-hmm.
And then the third option would be to put 3 years worth of mortgage payments into a vehicle so that if you get that claim filled, then they can stay in the home for 3 years, which buys them time.
Okay.
And then they can figure out what's the next thing.
Yes, figure out if they need to sell or if they need to renovate or if they're just going to stay.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. And you said you mentioned about disability as well?
Yeah, so disability, say you have that accident and you pull through, but you're not able to work. So several of these carriers will do up to $2,000 per month for a 2-year period. And that, again, is paying off your mortgage while you're getting back on your feet.
Mm-hmm.
And many states have disability, California being one of them, but it's 55% of your salary. A lot of people can't manage on that. Or other states do not have any disability. Nevada
Which
being
Nevada
one.
doesn't.
Yes, yeah. So
and you're located in how many states?
we are licensed in California, Utah, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, and Arizona. We're growing very rapidly. If you're in any of those states and you want to make an appointment to have us come in and work with you, Our toll-free number is 866-313-8755. And likewise, we have a website. If you wanted to just request a quote, you would go out to www.bsa-financialservices.com.
Again, I think this is very valuable. The only time that you talk about this is when you need it, and that's usually too late.
Yeah.
So I always like to just bring this up to clients just to get them educated, and I really do appreciate you coming in to talk to us about it.
Thank you.
Can you give us that number one more time?
Sure, it's 866-313-8755, and the website is www.bsa-financialservices.com. And if you're looking for the best realtor in the state of Nevada, it's Felipe for sure.
Well, thank you.
Yes.
And yeah, if you do need any help with real estate services, my 800 number is 1-866-589-1646, or you can also go on to my website at lvmodernhomes.com. Thanks so much. Thank you.